Hi there, Wade Sellers here, and this is another tips and tricks video related to the Bubble Up app. All right, I'm gonna show you how to add GIFs as the folder covers, okay? So this is my Bubble Up main folder here with all the other folders, and do you see the Monarch folder with the butterfly? That is a folder, that's the cover image. Looks super cool. You can see the one below it, Apps Weekly, with people walking by. You can see the stocks one with the stocks moving down. Very, very cool to have your folders look like this. And I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. Super, super simple. So, okay, I've got this YouTube Journeys folder, right? This is gonna be all about like how to, do better on YouTube. That's part of my research right now, right? Okay, so I have the Giphy app on my phone for, finding GIFs. So let's just go right over to that app. And inside here, let's type in the search, let's just type in YouTube. Let's just see what we get. And here are things related to YouTube. Okay. That's cool. That top left one, that's actually awesome. So I want to make mine look like that. Actually, no, I want to make it look like the hand with that, okay? So all you got to do here is you just long press on the GIF, right? Save to camera roll, and now it's saved inside your camera roll. This is iPhone, so if you do the same thing, you can do the same similar thing with Android to save it into your Google Photos, right? All right, so you save it there. Now let's just go on back to Bubble Up. Let's go to YouTube Journeys folder, and then do the three dots button, do Edit. At this point, here is what it currently looks like. If I do choose new image, I can choose it from library. Okay, and then once you're in there, you just choose the GIF. It'll pop up right that. Hit choose, it's done, hit save, and then you just go on back out of YouTube Journeys and watch what happens. It's gonna go ahead and update, and now your GIF is literally loaded as your folder cover image. If you wanna see more videos on how to use Bubble Up in even cooler ways, I'm gonna make a bunch of these little tips and tricks videos along the way. Hit the subscribe button here to see more. My name is Wade Sellers, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!